Best Extended Gaming Mousepad Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular gamers mousepads in the market that have been used by thousands of gamers who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this mousepad so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of some of the features of this gamer's mousepad. The one that made our list is the Ktrio Extended Gaming Mousepad. This large mousepad measures 31.5 by 11.8 inches and is large enough to fit your mouse, keyboard and other desk items. This way you can keep a clean, uncluttered desk to improve your gaming experience. It has durable stitched edges and high-density premium texture for long-term use without deformation and degumming. The high-quality Lycra cloth surface offers smooth gliding and is optimized for fast movement while maintaining excellent accuracy and control. Its waterproof coating prevents damage from spilled drinks or other accidents, and the non-skid rubber base keeps the pad firmly in place for maximum stability. To check out the full specs of the Ktrio Extended Gaming Mousepad and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/gamingmousepad. Here's a quick look at some of the features of this mousepad. So there you have it, the Ktrio Extended Gaming Mousepad. Considering the quality of this mousepad and its overall functionality, we feel that this set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Ktrio Extended Gaming Mousepad and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/gamingmousepad. Alright, thank you for watching.